Hello students, now I'll be telling about Alankara, okay, the second part. So second part, Alankara, well, what you have to study, you thoroughly write and study Alankara because it's 100% coming and you're going to get 3 marks full in that. Write and study. Here, Alankara, there are 2 types of Alankaras. One is Rupaka Alankara and one is Upama Alankara. Most of the papers, they have given Upama Alankara. So what you have to do, how can you recognize Upama Alankara? Ante, zeroth, ante anta bandre, adu Upama Alankara. Ante anta barlilla andre jasti adu Rupaka Alankarane barutte. So most of the question papers, what I check, it is given, it comes as ante. It means ಮಗುವಿನ ಮುಖವು ಚಂದ್ರನಂತೆ ಅಂತೆ ಮನೋಹರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಗುವಿನ ಮುಖವು, ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಫೇಸ್, ಮಗುವಿನ ಮುಖವು ಲೈಕ್ it looks like ಚಂದ್ರನಂತೆ ಮನೋಹರವಾಗಿದೆ. So it is done comparison. So when there is a comparison, it is called simile in English. Understand that the simile in English is the Upama Alankara, and most of the time Upama Alankara is come. Clearly study Upama Alankara. So under that, what you have to write? First you have to mention which it is Alankara. It is Upama Alankara. Then Lakshana. Lakshana means what happens. Like ಎರಡು ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಗಿರುವ ಸದೃಶ್ಯ ಸಂಪತ್ತನ್ನು ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಹೋಲಿಸುವುದು. ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್. The two things are compare. So you should explain this full. The full thing is given here. This much. You just write this and you'll score 3 marks full. Understand, children? Write and study that. You can score full marks. Okay. Then next is, even in this, just read this one also. Which one is that? Rupaka Alankara also, because Rupaka Alankara where there is no, like Suryana Chinnada Kirana. There is no ante. Okay. It is told that is one. It is not that is compared to this. So remember that. You'll have to study that by heart. It is going to be 100% coming, and you are going to get straight away 3 marks in that, which will help you to pass. Then next, which is helping you, Kavikrati, you'll have to go through, because any of the Kavikratis come, because each exam there has been different Kavikratis coming. Mitra has come, and see this Pandit Taradhya Shivacharya Swamigalu is come, so Kumaravyasa is come. So each and everything make a study of at least the place where he stayed, what are these, some 3 lines at least you will have to study and write down. Then next is this one. What is that? Next I'll tell you about the poems. Poems you have to study. All the poems which are there, you need to study. Then this one, under letter writing. Okay, under letter writing, what you have to do? Under letter writing, you write down this letter, which is that, Manavi Patra you should write. Write Manavi Patra only. Don't go for father letter. Write it to your father, or letter to the this one. What is that? The parents. Any letter. Right? For example, now here the Manavi Patra is there. I'll tell you. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೋಲಾರದ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲೆಯ ಅನಿತಾ ಎಂದು ಭಾವಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆ means what? Transfer certificate. You have to ask transfer certificate. ಪತ್ರ ಕೋರಿ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರಿಗೆ ಮನವಿ ಪತ್ರವನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. Study that. Don't study a letter to father or anything, or your school celebration or anything. Write this. For this you will get full marks, because according to the points. For example, when you write that Manavi Patra, see, this is the Manavi Patra here. Okay, so for this, when you write two there, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೋಲಾರದ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿಯ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲೆಯ ಅನಿತಾ. So when you write Anita Rinda and put some address, learn that. Okay, then to the Mukhyopadhyayarige. So when you write to, from, all these, each and every 1, 2, 3, 4, and the conclusion, all this will fetch marks for you. So each and every sentence will fetch, and here you learn this, what is the ending by heart, this ending statements, and all this you learn. Just learn this Manavi Patra. You'll get full 5 marks for this. Full 5 marks for this. You'll get it. Got it? Then next is Okay, the composition you'll have to learn. Most of them are from, like, you learn on this environment, learn the water, the conservation of water, or here it's given on Matadararu. So each and everything just go through so that it will help you all. And then under the passage, this is the passage given here. Next, this is the tricks for the passage. For example, this passage is given. They will be giving a passage. If you find difficulty in reading the passage, there are the questions here. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದೋಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಹುಡುಕಬೇಕು ಮಾತ್ರ, ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಹುಡುಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರರ ಸಂದೇಶವೇನು? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಂದೇಶವೇನು? ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು. ತಮ್ಮ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರರ ಸಂದೇಶ ಇದು. Clearly they have given, clearly in passage, clearly in Kannada they are giving you ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರರ ಸಂದೇಶ ಇದು. So the sentence only is there, or the ending word will be there. Understand that. So this is the passage. Understand, and you can tick the passage. And this part, see, this is another question. This question is ಭಾರತ ಸಂವಿಧಾನದ ರಚನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರರ ಪಾತ್ರವೇನು? ಭಾರತ ಸಂವಿಧಾನದ ರಚನೆಯು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು. So in here, in the first starting part, it is given the second answer. So clearly the ending of the question will be there in the answer. That will fetch you 4 marks, 2 marks each. So you're going to get again 2 marks each thing. So that can help you for your exams. So hope you understood that. Don't leave the compositions. Then next is question answers. Question answers I will tell you. I will read out the important questions of every lesson, because I have gone through the question papers and I have ticked almost important questions, which I will read out to you in the next video. And lastly, this is Kai Kesaradre Bhama Services Gade Matus. You should go through the go through the text, all the Gade Matus go through. Then I will put a separate video where you study those 6 to 7 lines. Okay, I will put a separate video, or I'll take a display as the separate 6 to 7 lines. You learn those 7 lines, you'll get straight away 2 marks for the Gade Mata, and then write for that Gade Mata and explain the remaining with the 3-4 lines of your own, or read the text and just explain that. So this passage what I'm giving you will be compulsory for all the Gade Matas, which can give you 2 marks permanently. Understand? So that I'll put it in video, or I'll Xerox and just display it in the next. Okay, so that I've got it here, I need to write it separately, and see, I've got it here, so I need to write it separately and I'll post it on this. Okay, then next video I'm going to give you all the question answers from every lesson, important questions. Because I have gone through all the question papers, I will explain you all I will tell you all which are the questions you need to read to compulsorily, which can help you to pass. And one more thing, 1 word answers study from all lessons. 1 word Kannada answers, every 1 word answer study. So if you whatever number of questions, like for example there are 16 questions, so even if they give 1, 2, 3 questions here and there, at least 10 marks you can 100% get on that. So all the 1 mark answers read again and again. I will give you 2 marks question answers, and then the important big question answers and the sandarbhas in the next video.